Guys, hope you guys are all doing well. Welcome back to the channel. This is Mohini Matin here to give you some hair tips. So we have castor oil by Sky Organics. This is an organic castor oil that I like to use on my hair, eyelashes, and eyebrows. If you guys are not familiar with castor oil, it is to help stimulate the follicles in your scalp that is currently dormant and will be able to help you regrow any follicles that have stopped growing, and you can see some new hair growth in areas that you probably have not seen hair growth for a long time. Cold pressed castor oil that I like to use on my hair on a weekly basis. It is extremely moisturizing as well as helps stimulate hair regrowth. So I like using Sky Organics products because it is 100% pure, USDA organic, hexane free, and cold pressed. So I like to use cold pressed organic castor oil. I know it's from the source. I know it's a high quality product. I don't just use castor oil. I like to mix it with almond oil, avocado oil, pumpkin seed oil, rosemary oil. So there are a ton of different oils you can mix castor oil with to make sure it's not as heavy or dense and easy to apply to your hair. So I usually put this castor oil and mix it with a bunch of oils once a week on my scalp and hair. I leave it overnight and I wash it out the next day. I typically do 2 different types of shampoos before conditioning my hair to get rid of the organic castor oil that is on my scalp. It can be a little tough and rough to take out of your hair, but at the end of the day, it leaves you with beautiful and shiny hair. I actually put some on last night, washed it out, and as you can see, my hair is super healthy even though I have bleached hair. I have not used any heat products on my hair. This is how it has dried naturally. So if you continue to use organic castor oil, your hair will remain healthy and luscious. So this is a 60 fluid ounces bottle. This is a large bottle that you can get on Amazon on the link below. Just make sure to click the description box below to get the link to this product. So this is a super moisturizing oil, not only for just your scalp and hair, but also for your lashes and eyebrows. I like to mix a little bit of castor oil with some avocado, rosemary, and pumpkin oil. Put it on a little mascara wand, and I put it on my eyelashes and eyebrows before I go to sleep. And as you can see, these are my natural eyelashes. And they have grown immensely in the last 6 months with this Sky Organics castor oil. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more hair and skincare tips from us. Thank you. My natural eyelashes that I use this organic castor oil on.